Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. This is a special episode showing you our weekly report of our intraday calls in YouTube. So let us glance our previous calls. This week we made a profit of rupees 1900. This week let us see how our stocks performed in our YouTube calls. Yeah. So 24/5 Monday. You can see Monday our Axis Bank stock was active at 734, and as I told you, if it is stock less than 1000, we make it default buy at 50 quantities, and you can see we made a profit of 500 rupees, and our target was hit at 744, and there was no active stocks on that day. And next day, 25/5/2021, Bata India was active at 1518, and we bought it in 30 quantities, and target 2 was hit in this 1535, and we made a profit of rupees 510. And UPL was active at 794, and the stock is below 1000, so quantity 50, target 2 was hit at 805, and the profit made was 550. Tata Motors not active, Infosys not active. Then 26/5 Titan 1575, quantity 30, and you can see the second target was hit 1591, and the profit was 480 rupees. And HDFC Bank was active at 1476, quantity 30, and first target was hit 1484, and the profit was made 240 rupees. And in ICICI Bank, buy was active at 654, 50 quantities, and the entire day it was in the range, so we made it cost to cost, and we did not calculate any profit or any stop loss in this stock. And the same day, Airtel was not active. 27/5/2021, HCL was active at 949 with quantity 50, as the stock is below 1000, and you can see the first target was hit at 954 and made profit of rupees 250. And the next stock, Infosys, was active at 1401, and we made a loss in the stock, and the stop loss was hit in 1394. And next stock was Reliance. On the same day, it was active at 1965, and second target was hit 1975, and we made a profit of rupees 300. L&T buy was active at 1477, quantity 30, and we made a loss of rupees 270 rupees, and stop loss was hit at 1468. And this is Friday's call. Mahindra and Mahindra was active at 832, and second target was hit at 844, and we made a profit of rupees 600. Axis Bank was active at 754, and first target was hit, and you can see the profit was rupees 250. L&T buy was active at 1485, and you can see the second target was hit, and we made a profit of rupees 300. So this was a weekly report of our second week. So this calls all was given in our YouTube channel every day, and the total profit for the current week is rupees 3500. So the profit will be 1900 for the last week and 3500 for the current week. We required a capital of rupees 15 to 20,000 for the trading in angel broking by using margin. So the link will be in description. You can open your demat account within 10 minutes. That's it. There is a simple format where you just have to link your Aadhaar card and you can open your account for free. The link will be in description. You can open your demat account and start trading. Thank you guys. Monday's suggestion video will be posted tomorrow by end of the day probably. Do watch the video and start doing paper trading at least for few weeks so that you get habituated with our trading techniques and start live trading later. Thank you one and all. Have a great day.